Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about the latest trends in AI and technology. In today's video, we will discuss the differences between two popular AI language models, ChatGPT and Google BARD. We will also talk about the best ways to use these AI tools and how they can make our lives easier. Part 1, ChatGPT. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. It is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like responses to text inputs. It can be used for various applications, such as chatbots, text generation, and machine translation. The unique feature of ChatGPT is its ability to understand context and generate relevant responses based on that context. Part 2, Google BARD. Now let's move on to Google BARD. BARD stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers and is another AI language model that has gained popularity recently. Google BARD is designed to understand natural language and generate responses based on the context of the conversation. Part 3, Differences between ChatGPT and Google BARD. The main difference between ChatGPT and Google BARD is the way they process and generate text. ChatGPT uses a one-directional transformer model, while Google BARD uses a bidirectional transformer model. This means that Google BARD has a better understanding of context and can generate more accurate responses. On the other hand, ChatGPT is better at generating creative and diverse responses, making it more suitable for creative writing and generating new ideas. Part 4, Best ways to use ChatGPT and Google BARD. Now that we've covered the differences between ChatGPT and Google BARD, let's talk about the best ways to use these AI tools. ChatGPT can be used for chatbots, content generation, and brainstorming ideas. Google BARD, on the other hand, can be used for more complex tasks, such as machine translation and natural language processing. Part 5, How AI tools can make our lives easier. Finally, let's talk about how AI tools like ChatGPT and Google BARD can make our lives easier. By automating tasks like content generation and machine translation, we can save time and focus on more important tasks. Additionally, these tools can help us generate new ideas and solve complex problems faster, making us more productive. Outro. So there you have it, the differences between ChatGPT and Google BARD AI solutions. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Let us know in the comments which AI tool you prefer and how you use it in your daily life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and technology. Thanks for watching.